Greetings, Moroi Magadi. Welcome to Taurai Shona. Let's speak Shona. In this video we are covering months of the year, the names of our months in the 12-month calendar in Shona. Starting with January. January is called Ndira. Ndira. February is Kukadzi. Kukadzi. March is Kurume. Kurume. April is Kuvumbi. Kuvumbi. May is Chivavu. Chivavu. June is Chikumi. Chikumi. July is Chikunguru. Chikunguru. August is Nyamavuvu. Nyamavuvu. September is Gunyana. Gunyana. October is Gumiguru. Gumiguru. And November is Mbudzi. Mbudzi. December is called Zhita. Zhita. Now, the word Shona word for month is Mwedzi. Even for months, Mwedzi. It's both single and plural. It doesn't change. And the Shona word for year is Gore. Gore. For years it becomes Makore. Makore. The plural for Gore is Makore. Alright. How do you say the month of in the specific month in Shona? Here's one example. Month of December, or the month of December, you say Mwedzi wa Zhita. Mwedzi wa, and then you put the Shona name for the month. So month of December, you say Mwedzi wa Zhita. Here's our summary of what we've just covered. The 12 months of the year. January is called Ndira. February, Kukadzi. March, Kurume. April, Kuvumbi. May, Chivavu. June, Chikumi. July, Chikunguru. August, Nyamavuvu. September, Gunyana. October, Gumiguru. November, Mbudzi. December, Zhita. I'll just repeat once again in this, but this time just doing the Shona side. Okay, the words in white. Ndira, Kukadzi, Kurume, Kuvumbi, Chivavu, Chikumi, Chikunguru, Nyamavuvu, Gunyana, Gumiguru, Mbudzi, Zhita. Thank you for watching Taurai Shona. Let's keep learning Shona and speak it. Until the next video, goodbye.